Let's take a look at pirate yoga. Yoga is a great way to feel calm, settled and relaxed. Pause the video here to read all about doing yoga safely. This is particularly important for the grown-ups. And all you need for pirate yoga is a safe space. This is the albatross. This pose will help your shoulders to stretch and widen. Start standing. Wrap one leg over the other and stretch your arms out. Imagine they are albatross wings. Repeat this pose with the opposite leg. Pause the video here to practice. This is the shark. This pose gently bends your spine back. Remember to keep breathing smoothly throughout. Start on your tummy with legs and feet squeezed together. Join your hands behind your back. Breathe in and lift your shoulders. Press your hands towards the ceiling like a shark's fin. Pause the video here to practice. This is the jellyfish. This pose will fold your spine forwards. Make sure your knees are slightly bent at all times. Start in standing position with both feet evenly placed and the knees slightly bent. Softly and smoothly roll your spine forwards. As you breathe in, lift up. As you breathe out, sink down like a swimming jellyfish. Press pause now to practice. And the last pirate yoga pose I'm going to show you is the penguin. This pose will stretch your hips. Start in standing position with your feet apart and toes slightly wide. Bend your knees so that your hips come down. If it feels comfy, place your hands at your sides like penguin wings. Press into your feet and use your strong legs to come back up. Press pause now to practice. Hope you feel lovely and relaxed. See you next time.